Huh.
Well, hey folks, Dane at Jonah Guitars. I've kind of wrapped up the Gecko, short of me actually sitting down with it now. I didn't realize that until I started looking for more videos on the Gecko after I posted the last one. And that is, that's the last one of it being built. And so I'm going to sit down with it and just go over all the options on the guitar, what switches do what and all that sort of stuff, and then reload the video of Dale doing a demo for me. Dale from Lexington Lab Band in Kentucky playing it, and yeah, I think that's about it. I'll start loading. I'm going to try to do a little. The reason I made the other one so long and so inclusive is because I said it was going to be a complete series of building that 9-string Gecko guitar. So the ES335 copy that I did, and I put up 1 or 2 videos on that about doing the Sunburst. I will be loading more videos on the build on that, and hopefully spending a little more time editing useless stuff out and making it not quite as a long process seeing the build. So, and there's also stuff that I've done a 56 Martin neck reset and refret that's in the can. I got a lot of setup videos in the can, stuff I just haven't posted because I've been doing the Gecko build. And then also I have the Skull guitar, the fabric top guitar that is now actually sanded and buffed out, and I'll get back up to speed with those videos as well and show some more of that process. So thanks. Hey, I just want to say thanks for the subscribers. I'm adding subs every day. Appreciate it. Yeah, if you like guitar stuff, I don't do this sort of thing very often, if ever. I'm trying to remember I don't even know what the last time I was off topic was, but it was one other time maybe. This is not a guitar related video. It's a little bit of a departure from the norm. I just got back from Nashville a couple days ago, as evidenced by the shirt and the glass, which I got both of at Hard Rock downtown there on Broadway. So this is unrelated to even the Nashville. Other than that, I flew to Nashville, and so this is about flying. It's about what I think that the airlines, and I've flown several different airlines in the last couple years, and what I think would be a fix for the airlines as far as boarding. And this is completely random, thing here, but every time I get on a plane, I think about it, and it's like, it doesn't make sense to me. They load airplanes backwards, and I realize the main problem with that is that you have people who have paid, and I'll call them rich people, because I can't afford to fly first class, and I'm not rich, and I don't even know if they call it first class anymore. I keep hearing our premium members, and there was another some sort of uppity sort of name I heard flying around, and they're not even rich people, because if you're really rich, you have your own jet, right? So I think the main problem is they're trying to make the folks that paid extra for their seats, get in the plane first. And it makes sense from that point, but from the actual loading point, it doesn't make sense. It's like, put those people in a little room somewhere and serve them their pre-flight drinks right there before they get in the plane. Because another problem is that when you're trying to board and you're trying to get down the thing and get your stuff stowed, you got people serving drinks and whatnot, and they're just standing in the way. It's their job. I'm not bashing the people that are doing their job. I just think that there's a better way to organize this, and it's really simple. So here it is. Start with the folks in the back. the guys that have the last seat go first, right? Right down there, nobody in the way, nobody to stumble over, nobody to get hit in the head with a bag as you go by. Load the last guys first, so whatever size plane you're on. I don't even know what they call it now. I've forgotten. Phase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. I know it's not called phases. Section. There you go. So hey, section 7, stand up, go. You got all this clear path. Just get on down there, and then the next set of guys, section 6, section 5, go backwards, and load it out from the tail end on out. And then when everybody's in there and they're just about ready to take off, you can pull the curtain. Those people don't want to know that we're back there, so they have the little curtain. Although they parade us by them, and this isn't a rant on people that can afford to fly first class, but I just think it's kind of funny because they always look really perturbed or put out by the fact that you have to pass them, and then they draw the little curtain though to isolate them from the rest of the folks. You can bring them in after the fact, and they don't have to be passed or bothered by any of the other folks in the plane. They can just come in, sit down. They already have their drinks in their hands, and they can just be pampered. I think that loading a plane like that makes a lot more sense than the other way around, where you really do have everybody, not just first class, but I mean you've got first class, then you've got the first section, and you've got all these people trying to get their stuff loaded, and they get in the seats, and everybody coming by is just whacking them with their carry-ons, or it just doesn't make any sense. So this is a short video, and that's all I really want to talk about. And comment, tell me what you think. I think it's a good idea. I've been saying this to my wife every time we've flown forever, and she just ignores me because she's gotten used to it. This is Dane at Jonah Guitars. Go make some dust, guys.